Wetlands are some of the most diverse ecosystems we have in the world. For many of us, we rely on them for everything, from food to clean water and clean air to our social and cultural heritage. Prioritising restoring these wetlands is essential to maintaining the world as we know it.
Through my career, I've worked on a lot of wetland restoration projects. And during that time, I've seen some really degraded wetlands turn into some of the most beautiful, thriving wetlands that really are the hearts and lungs of local waterways.
I first started working wetlands through the engineering lens of water quality management, but soon realised they offer so much more. There's flood mitigation, groundwater recharge, and that is the touching on the ecological oasis that these places are, the biodiversity hotspots. Wetlands really are the gift that keeps on giving.
Wetlands are these really beautiful, dynamic environments with high biodiversity, and they provide a lot of value to the environment as well as our society. But we're seeing less and less of them over recent decades due to threats such as sea level rise and human development. I really want to protect these places and restore them for future generations.
Happy World Wetlands Day!